Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to prep this stamped concrete patio, get it ready to be sealed tomorrow. Really cool looking, ain't it? It's like wood planks. I like that. Overall, it's pretty slow. Looks like the sealer's starting to come up pretty good over here. As you can see, oh yeah, that's bare concrete. Man, honestly, that really should be restained, I think. Either way, all we do is clean and seal it. You got one little crack over here. I'll stay off of that with my surface cleaner. Go over it pretty easily. Well, that is in pretty good shape. I guess that looks kind of funky. We'll see what that looks like after I clean it, though. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Said it's about 4 years old, so they're right at where they need to be as far as resealing goes. Get this thing fired up. We're going to clean it today. I'll come back and seal it tomorrow in the afternoon. Stay tuned, guys. wood plank stamped concrete looks. But it all sealed up good. Looks good. I think my camera died a little bit before I finished. I'm not sure I got all the footage of sealing, but as you can see, it looks really good. Need any kind of stamped concrete sealing, pressure washing, carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning, any of the services we offer, give us a shout. You can book us online at windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys.